Welcome to this page, and I do, in fact, provide hands on training. My name is Coach Paul Lawrence Vann, and I welcome you to join me. I have things that are taking place, such as a webinar every Thursday night at 7 p.m. Eastern, and it's called the Fast Track Self Leadership Framework. And what I do is I provide mid career professionals with insight in terms of how they can get promoted in 30 days. And by getting promoted, you ultimately reach that goal through self leadership to become the best speaker you can be. And in addition to that, the promotion is going to add more pay into your bank account. And so that's what I provide. Again, I served over 22 years in the United States Air Force, and I also worked for Mobil Oil Company. And I initially started out working for UPS, so I have vast experience. I attended every leadership school that the United States Air Force had to offer. I've led people, I've led organizations. I worked for the highest level military officers and federal employees, in addition to working as a Capitol Hill Fellow for a member of Congress. If anyone can help you, it's me. Join me on the webinar. And I also host and produce Wealth Academy podcast. So there's more insight that you can receive from that, in addition to a newsletter that I provide to all the people who subscribe with me. So join me and you will learn quite a bit. And I look forward to working with you. Have a wonderful day and thank you.